Hello and welcome to one of our favorite boxes that we look forward to every month. Oh yes, I like this one. This is the Slay Glam box. And Fatima over here usually likes the packaging because it comes in a handbag. This is how it normally arrives. However, for whatever reason, this time it arrived in a plastic mailer, and Fatima has clipped out a portion of that mailer because she's now going to, I think, make that her theme. Hello, I have arrived. Fatima really liked the packaging on this one. First up is a lip product. This is from Sachet brand. It's in a neutral color, and this one I think is going to wind up in my Find a New Home box, just because I don't think I will use it. It is in the shade 07. Next up from Russia V Cosmetics, we have Dual Chrome Liquid Eyeshadow. These are cute. They have a shift in the shade. I don't know how well the camera is picking it up. I'm waffling on these. There's a part of me that wants to hang on to them. There's a part of me that knows that I have a lot of product that I am not using, so I'm contemplating putting these in the Find a New Home box. We also got a mascara this month, and as you can see, it is purple. So I had some fun with it today. I don't know how well it shows up on my dark lashes yet. It's purple mascara. I'm excited. I really like the bling on this next one. This is an eyeliner, and it is also in purple. And I agree with Fatima. The bling on this is just something spectacular. This next item is also from Russia V Cosmetics. The palette is called Goal Digger, and I'm excited because I get to do swatches. This is an amazing palette. I played around with it a little bit this morning, and I'm using 3 of the shades Evolving, Focused, and Millionaire, and I will try and get up close and personal. I used 3 of these shadows today to create my eye look. I used this one up here, or up here. I used this one here for all over my lid, and then I went in with this one here to get a little bit of shimmer and glimmer. Cue the music. The camel will now do swatches. Nice job with the swatches, Camel. Thank you. I just love how those colors shift with the light The shift and the shimmer is amazing. Yes, I agree. The shift and the shimmer is amazing. If you haven't done so already, leave us a comment below. What item did you like the best? Do you get this box? Are you going to get this box? This box, I think, is one of my monthly favorites. Mine too. Me too. And now moving along to the nitty-gritty. You mean the pricing? I mean the pricing. This box is $24 a month. The shipping is free. You do have to pay sales tax, and so for me, that gets me in at $25, almost $26. And I always think that this box is a well thought out box, well coordinated. It's not just like it's being thrown together. There is planning behind this box. The box does not come with a card. I was able to look up some of the prices online and found that the purple mascara is $12. The multi-chrome liquid eyeshadows, those two little mini guys, they come together for $14. And the Goal Digger palette is $45. So both from a monetary return on my investment as well as a usable return on my investment, I really feel like I get back what I put in. Very great box. Very impressed. Yes, we really like this, and I like to do swatches. We know, Fatima, we know. Well, what can you do? I've got a camel that likes to do swatches. We thank you for watching today. If you haven't done so already, we would love it if you would consider subscribing. It would not only help us out, it would help you out, because then you get to see more of the fun adventures that Fatima the camel and I get into. Oh yes, we have some fun ones. Yes, we do. And like, comment, share, and all that good stuff. And we hope to see you again in another video. Thanks for watching. Fatima, are you admiring yourself in the camera again? Well, yeah, it's fun. Oh goodness, what am I gonna do with her?